Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Fiana Fashion Forward. So today I'm going to present you my May favorites, and these are the things which I have used the most during the month of May. So let's get started with it. So before starting with the May favorites, I would like to tell you that I am currently in a beach and the view is just totally amazing. So I will also insert some clips of the beach, and I will also do a separate vlog of the beach, so please stay tuned for that. So starting with the holy grail product of summer are these Ray-Bans. Yeah. Don't they look amazing? I just purchased them for the summer to keep my eyes protected from the sun, and as you know that my eyes are light colored and they will absorb more light, so these help me a lot during the summer and they help me to stay cool. So the next product in my favorite list is this VLCC sunscreen. This is an SPF 30, so it provides a really natural glow to your skin. I really love the fragrance of the sunscreen as it has a natural pineapple smell to it. So if you want to try it, you can buy it from your nearest drugstore or a beauty store. I got mine from the beautiful in Navi Mumbai. So my next favorite product is this lip cream. It is the Miss Clay lip cream, the shade 15A. I really love the color. It's a light pink nude color, which is just appropriate for the summer season. And it is really good for the lips, and I really love the smell of it. It has a nice vanilla butter smell to it, and the sad part about it is that it doesn't last on the lips for quite long. It hardly lasts for about an hour or so, then you have to touch it up. The next product in my favorite list is this highlighter. This is the Miss Clay Born to Glow highlighter, and I was really inspired by this to buy this product after seeing the strobing trend. It's a liquid highlighter, and you can use it all over your cheeks to give you a nice healthy glow to the skin. It has slightly pink undertones to the product, and you can also use it as an eyeshadow, which I have used right now. You can also mix it with your eyeliner to give yourself a glitter eyeliner. This product is quite versatile. You can also apply it on the bridge, on the cupid's bow, on the bridge of the nose, so that it gives your skin a nice healthy highlight. So the next product is the Maybelline mascara. It is the waterproof mascara, and it's the Colossal Volume Express waterproof mascara. I really love this product since I am going to the beach right now, and it keeps my lashes all waterproof. And yesterday I tested this product and it was quite good, and it worked for me really well. It really elongates the eyes and gives the eyelashes a fluttery effect. So if you want to invest in a good mascara, you can go for this one. It is quite cheap also. It's a drugstore product and it retails for 375 rupees, but you can also get a great discount of any beauty website like Nykaa.com. So the next product which I am going to talk to you about is the Olivia makeup stick. Do not underestimate this product. It's quite a good product, and now during the summertime I am not using any other product or any other foundation as such except this. So this is quite a versatile product. You can use it as a concealer, you can use it as a foundation, you can use it to highlight your under eyes, and this product goes on really well with every skin type. I myself have a combination skin type, so you can this is quite a good product. If you blend it with a damp beauty blender, this works like a dream for you. And this product also is really cheap and affordable. I got this one from the beauty palace located in Crawford Market. I got it for 80 bucks, and you can get it for 100 bucks easily everywhere. But the only sad part about it is that you cannot try these shades, so you need to be really careful with them. My shade is 02 Rochelle Rose, so it has various shades in various different undertones. mine has a pink undertone. So my next favorite product is the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact. During the launch of this product, I was so happy, and then I just wanted to buy this product for the fact that it was so affordable at a rate of 150 rupees only, and Maybelline does really good compacts, so I wanted to give this one a shot. I was like out of my Maybelline Glow Compact. That is also a really nice compact, but when they launched this one, I was like, I just wanted to buy this. So after I got this, I used it for about 1 month, and then I was not quite impressed with it. But now when I'm using it during the summertime, I'm really liking the matte finish it gives to my skin. It is also enriched with perlite, which absorbs the oil on the skin, and it gives quite a nice finish to your skin. So I use it for my touch-ups, and normally I just use it to mattify the oils on my face, and I really like this product. So the next favorite thing I'm going to talk to you through is my favorite YouTuber. She is Amelia Liana, none other than the London beauty blogger, and I am really in love with her videos, especially her vlogs. I was so inspired by her vlogs that I shot vlogs myself due to her vlogs. And you know what, I always have her offline videos with me, so whenever I get bored, I just take out her videos, and then I have a great laugh and I enjoy myself. And you know what, Amelia Liana really gives me a nice positive vibe. So after that, I am also ready to shoot my videos. So you can follow her and subscribe to her channel also. She makes really good videos, and she uploads every Thursdays and Sundays. So hi Amelia. So my favorite book of the summer month is The Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown. I myself am a Dan Brown fan. I really love the book. The book was so interesting, and I was so intrigued by the book that I wish to read all the other parts of Dan Brown books, like The Deception Point, which is just left for me. Other than that, I have read all of his books, and I really love the author, and I really like mystery novels, and which involves some kind of adventure. So this is a must read for you if you like some mystery and adventure novels. So give this one a shot. So my favorite experience of the month is parasailing. I went parasailing at the Murud beach. And hands down, it was the best experience of my life. You know that moment when you feel like a bird and you see everything from the top. You feel that every human down there is so little. You can see mountains on the one side, and on the other side you can see the beautiful beach. So this was the highlight of my summer season. If you liked my video, do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel to show the love. I also have a fashion blog. So if you want to follow me on my fashion blog, the ID is fiannafashionforward.wordpress.com. I post there almost weekly, and if you like really nice reviews, in-depth reviews of beauty products, I will keep you updated on my blog. So please keep on following me there. Till then, take care. Bye. You can also comment down below and let me know which was your favorite product from this list of my favorite products. And I will see you very soon with another vlog of mine. So take care till then. Bye. Have a nice day.